What's going on? It's your main man with the master plan, Rock from Rock Shop Experience. Right now, I'm currently going over these CDs. I did buy this whole container. Let me switch the camera. Okay, we're back. I did buy all these CDs. Now, unfortunately, they did mark them. I paid $5 for this whole thing, plus the container, and then she threw this one in, so this will pay for everything. Well, I didn't actually look that one up, but the Garth Brooks one, it's about $12, give or take, maybe like $8 with shipping not included. So medium mail shouldn't be too bad, should be like $5. So she did throw this box in when I was leaving. Sometimes on Saturdays, Sunday yard sales, people just kind of give things away because they don't want to put it back. They just want to get rid of it. So probably if I would have stayed a little bit longer, I would have got all these CDs for free. Now, I did just pull, I think it was the beginning of this year, last year, I did just get 1,000 CDs and 1,000 DVDs and some electronics for $400. I did buy somebody's entire thrifting store or, you know, flea market stuff. It was an entire room, and I did purchase the whole room for $400. So I do have a lot of CDs. I'm going to concentrate on these first, but I wanted to show you something. The person, we got Alabama. They took the back paper out. I want to show you how to open them. It's going to be a little complicated with one hand. Here's the inside. They're actually, all of them were taken and put out. So this is actually the back of the cover for the CD. You can open these, but you have to be careful to not break them. Sometimes you can pull up on them, but there's a little spot right here that you're going to want to put one finger in, push out, and then another hand to pull out. I'm going to try to, let me see, I'm going to use my thumb. Yeah, see, it's too hard to actually do it with, I'm just going to try to, maybe I can do it with one hand. Let me see. Yeah, see, then they pop right out. Then boom, then there you have it. So that's the easiest way to open them. They do have these little grooves here in the corners, as you can see. On some of the PlayStation 1 games also are regular jewel case CD cases. So I just wanted to drop that little bit of knowledge on you. For some people that don't know, that have broken several of them opening them, this is an easier way to open them. I kind of figured it out today. I've been opening them a lot, and every now and then I break them, but I try to be really careful. But that is the easiest way to open them. Maybe somebody has already talked about it, but I don't know. So I'm going to drop this video. Like, subscribe, leave your comments, thumbs up, peace out.